Let's talk about the roof tool. I'm in the roof tool here. I've also got a wall in my scene here. In the wall you can see the top of 10 feet and a bottom of 0 feet, and the thickness is 9 inches. Go back into the roof tool. This first mode here, let's talk about how we create roofs. What I'm going to do is just select this first mode here. What you can do is set perhaps the angle of the roof to be 30 degrees, the bottom of the roof maybe at 10 feet, so that it sort of matches up with our wall here, and a thickness of 1 foot. Now the first thing when you left click and you're in the wall tool is you're actually drawing sort of an axis about which the roof will pitch, and that will make more sense here in a second. So I'm just going to left click to finish this axis, and then we'll say, what is the high side of this roof? And the eyeball pops up. So I'm going to click on the left side here, which means that's going to be the high side of the roof. After that, you can just go about drawing in your roof any old shape you want. Doesn't really matter. Perhaps you want to match some existing walls or something. As soon as you come around and complete your roof, it will finish the roof. Now we can take a look at a roof here in 3D, and you can see the high side that I clicked was over on the left here. Now if I take this roof and I'm just going to hit, let's right click and say move, drag, and I'll left click this point, and then I'll left click this point over here. Now let's see if this makes sense in 3D, because remember the bottom of our roof is at 10 feet, and we know our wall's at 10 feet, but we can see that if we go here into 3D, it appears that our roof is lower than our wall. Now the reason is that when you draw a roof, the bottom of the roof is where this original axis you drew is. So if I right click, go down to move, drag, and place that axis right at the edge of our wall here, when we go back into 3D, you can see that there the axis and the bottom of the roof and the top of our wall perfectly coincide. So that's just a very simple way of drawing roofs. Now just very quickly, these guys over here, just like our slabs and our walls, are just rectangular versions of what we just did. So again, we just left click, draw out this axis. This time we'll click on this side, and then we'll just draw out a rectangle. Actually, it need to be in this mode right here. Draw out a rectangle, and then we're done. Same thing this time, just with a rotated rectangle though. So you can see 3D, go back. Remember I clicked on the right hand side. That means the high side of the roof is over here to the right.